from Q to Z. Let's sing our letters so joyfully. Dance like Luna, flap with me. It's time to finish them. A, Z. Q is for queen with the crown so gold. She rules her land so brave and bold. R is for rainbow, it's up so high with colors that sparkle across the sky. S is for snake who slithers slow. He wiggles and twists wherever he goes. T is for turtle with a shell so round. He walks real slow, not making a sound. U is for umbrella when there's rain. Keeps us dry on a stormy plain. V is for violin, let's play a string. It hums and sings like a magical thing. W is for whale so big and blue. He swims and splashes in the ocean too. X is for xylophone, tap, tap, tap. Let's play it loud with a clappy clap. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Spin it fast, then touch the ground. Z is for zebra, striped black and white. He gallops so fast, a speedy sight. Bop, 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 from Q to Z. We learned them all, you sang with me. Bopberry Lane is where we grow. Let's celebrate with a letter show. Q-R-S-T U-V-W X-Y-Z, that's all. Yippee! X-Y-Z, that's all.
You learned with Pluffy, he earned a treat. A Bopberry snack that's super sweet. Watch each week, sing, dance, and jam on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.